Today I'm making stuffed nasturtium leaves. January is not quite the season for nasturtiums, but I wanted to work on the video to get myself in the mood for spring and all the wonderful things to come. For this recipe you'll need fresh nasturtium leaves, broth, and a filling of your choice. I'm making rice and mushroom, but you can do basically any filling you fancy. Start by cutting your nasturtium leaves off their stems as close to the leaf as you can. Put them in a bowl and make a salty water. I could have said brine, but I didn't think of the word in time. The salt will pull water out of the plant cells, making the leaf sloppy and easier to roll. Give the brine at least an hour to work its magic. You can use the time to make your filling. I'm cooking rice off camera since I frankly don't have the balls to enter the Cooking YouTube Rice Discourse Thunderdome. Rice, onion, mushroom, assorted herbs and spices, et voila, a filling. Next up, the fiddly bit. Take the leaves out of the water, place about a teaspoonful of filling in the center of each leaf and do a burrito roll. Then place a little roll in a pan seam down. When you're done with that, add your broth, whether homemade, bought or from stock cubes. Let the broth flow into the pan slowly and only to about half the height of your nasturtium rolls, since if you add too much water the rolls will float, unroll and you'll end up making soup. Still nice, but not why we're here. Simmer on the stove for about 25 to 30 minutes on low heat. And we're done. A nasturtium flower looks beautiful and even tastes great. I hope you have fun recreating this recipe, and if you do, let me know how it went. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye!